Around the world, lupins, part of the legume family that includes the likes of soybeans, peas and lentils, are experiencing incredible growth in consumer demand. West Australian manufacturer Lupin Foods Australia specialises in a range of foods based on Australian sweet lupin, which has been developed to meet the growing demand. Today, we take a look inside Lupin Foods Australia's Perth operations, where an ABB robotic high-speed bag palletizing system has been designed and installed by ABB authorised value provider Robotics Solutions WA. We will look at how the ABB robot was able to simultaneously lower palletizing costs and keep up with rising output levels.
The unique challenges that we face with this project within Lupin Foods Australia is that we needed to design an assembly line, a manufacturing process that suited Australian sweet lupin. We've developed a solution where we can produce 920 kilo bags per hour. It means that we needed to be able to stack these 20 kilo bags in a particular configuration that enabled us to maximise our freight. If we used pallets, for example, in a classical way, it meant that we would consume container space by pallets. So we developed a solution with Robotics Solutions WA that gave us the ability to fully use the capacity of the container, remove the pallet, and be able to do it in a way that ensured that there was no damage to the bag. Consumer is always king, and we wanted to always present a product that when they opened the door of the container, that wow factor 9 came through, and we've been able to see that. We looked at many robots, many control systems. We found that not only was this more capable of adapting to our environment, but the simplicity of growing with the business was much better than the competitor. We found that in a price competitive sense, it was price comparable. ABB has a very strong name in Western Australia and globally, of course, in a diverse range of industries. We felt that the support that we would have from ABB was substantial and sufficient to meet our needs.
Lupin Foods Australia approached us to solve their palletizing problem. They wanted a high-speed system that's reliable and locally supported. We provided the system design, the robot, the gripper, the bag pickup conveyor, everything inside the robot cell, and then training and after-sales support. We only use ABB robots in our systems. This application is unique because we don't actually use a pallet. We palletize direct onto a slip sheet, which for export market means that you can fit more product into a container, and there's no return of pallets or expense of a pallet. The ABB 460 robot is a very fast palletizing robot. This system requires a minimum of 15 bags per minute, which we have easily achieved that with this robot, with the capacity to increase that if required.
The improvement and benefits that we've seen from an ABB robot has been that it's quick. Its maintenance is extremely low. Even though it's new, just the engineering infrastructure and the PLC processes make it really simple to use. Our challenge in Western Australia has been access to high quality labour in a food manufacturing sense. It enables us to develop a solution that makes it so easy to train people. It enables us to operate the manufacturing plant with a limited amount of labour. It enables us to operate 24 hours a day. It gives us reliable equipment. It enables us to adapt the business as we go.
Robotics Solutions WA have provided the client with a palletizing system that meets their requirements, and we will continue to use ABB robots in our future systems.